Mike. Mike. Can you guys hear me now, everybody? Oh, there we go, guys. I think you guys can hear me. Okay, so yeah, so like I said, soon as I got into a trade at 104, the Streamlab crashed on me, and I had to log off. Unfortunately, my apologies, everybody. And then I had to restart. I got it back again now. Luckily, I'm on a luckily this trade that I got in right before the crash, I am in green, so that's good. I had 15 contracts, man. I was up like $1,000 as we came back to life again, and I took 10 off stable very quickly on that bounce, and I've only got 5 contracts now, and I'm gonna look to see if I can hold this and see a little bounce back into the 170, guys. But yeah, so it was a risky one, and this is what happens sometimes, right? Your computer crashing on you, and then all of a sudden you can't get out of your trade, and then you, let's just imagine if you didn't have a hard stop, like that would have been, if this ended up pulling back here, guys, another 50 points, I would have been dead, right? So got a little lucky there. Deep focus hit trade. What up, man? KM in the house. Laverum. James Kim in the house, man. What's going on, brother? Welcome back. Desmond, thanks for being a member. RKO, DVM, KDX, Apex Trouble, Tradeway Trouble. It does seem like it's working, if I'm not wrong. I've got to log into my Bulanox though. I've got to log into my Bulanox. Bulanox. Yeah, I just a few. Let's try to see if this thing works. I'm trying to log into my Rhythmic Bulanox and try to see if that kind of works out. If it does, that's great. Oh yeah, but that was pretty quick. So I got it back again, so I'm just gonna have to copy this. I'm gonna copy, duplicate panel here, make this all condition, Bulanox and NQ. Bulanox, so we got Bulanox there. All right, so FFN, the Funded Futures Network trade is looking pretty good. I'm gonna take one more off the table, guys. I'm down to 4 now. Nice little bounce, guys. I'm gonna place my stop at 128. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for a little bounce back into the 170 here, guys, and then we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to long here. A little bit of a hard stop. My stop would be somewhere, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna be risking about $400 on this Apex account. Yeah, this is funded accounts I'm trading right now. Let's see if this kind of plays out. So it's 10 o'clock. We still have we still have 2 more hours for FOMC. We're getting pretty close though. Now is the time to kind of try to scale back and kind of wait, be on the sideline, not try to be a hero, right? You know what I mean? It's gonna be a big problem if you try to do that. I'm trying to be 50, 500. Yeah, I'm risking about $500. I used to trade ES. That's really where I kind of started trading. And then I kind of stopped trading ES because the NQ was just a lot more fun, a lot more volatile, you know what I mean? So I stopped ES. It was a little bit too slow. Yeah, but I used to trade ES though. Yeah, I just kind of decided to trade NQ only. NQ and the micro NQ just moves a lot faster. But I use ES to kind of gauge the overall market perspective, right? Just to kind of see, compare the NQ with the ES and see if there's any divergence between the two. But not necessarily for execution standpoint. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here, man. Ugh, not looking good. This could be a little rejection off that level. I'm gonna be risking a little more. $200. All right, so we'll see what happens now. I'm gonna take that off the table. Oh, what is that again? I'm gonna exit this trade right here on this on the Funded Futures Network. So I've only got one open position, and that's the Apex account. Yeah, I'm long on one of my Apex accounts. What's the sound? Hopefully that's not me placing orders. That's just the connection, hopefully. Yeah, it looks like just a connection. Yep. That's okay. Holy cow. I thought it was me placing orders. That would have been the biggest mochaccino. And Michael G, what is going on, brother? Jess Kim, what up? Future Trader. What Take Profit Trader is going to do? I'm not sure. You gotta shoot an email to Take Profit Trader. Oh, we are up here, guys. I'm gonna take some profits off the table. Let's try to save more. Yeah, I haven't moved my stop yet because I will do once these orders get filled, my TPs get filled. Come on, just a little more push, get it filled. There we go, guys, man. Nice, nice, nice. Keep going. Now I can take it off. I mean, my stop. And I'm willing to put my stop at the break even here. All right, my stop at the break even now. All right, not a bad trade after all. So we're still trading, as we are getting now pretty close to, of course, the FOMC, guys. Be careful, FOMC right around the corner in about less than 2 hours, guys. All right, so this is looking pretty good, guys. Apex funded account. I'm gonna be looking for a little target back into the 170, guys, and then we'll try to take my final take profit off the table there. Nice little push. I'm on a 15-minute chart, right? So if you just take a look from a 1-minute standpoint, this is obviously going to look a lot different. Yeah, this is on a 1-minute chart, guys. And now I'm on a 1-minute chart. Like, we got a nice beautiful bounce off that 26,100 area, and that's the level we just kept talking about, that we bounced off that level. We did, and we got a nice beautiful bounce, and I'm long here off that EMA bounce, and I'm gonna be looking for a bounce back into the 180, guys. I've got 6 contracts now. Coca-Cola, some people having trouble with Apex Tradevate. All right, guys, I'm gonna take one more off the table right here. I'm down to 5 now. Moving my stop. Welcome back, everybody. Oh well, let's just exit this trade. Or no? Are we gonna get a bounce at this level? Are we gonna get a bounce at this level, or are we gonna flush it down? Am I gonna get stopped out right here? Yeah, I've got a hard stop there, so I may get stopped out on this. Yeah, there we go, guys. I got stopped out right there. Not bad. But man, that micro though, the micro contracts, man, eats up your P&L, right? Because my net P&L here, if you just take a look, guys, I've got $800, but then close P&L is $900, so pretty much $200. I've literally given $250 just on the commission itself. Not happy with this. So I think that's the problem when you trade the micro, I guess. We are getting a rejection, guys. We are pulling back here as well, so. All right, I'm gonna try to put my attention back into, I've got Billanox now. I'm just maybe might as well try to trade the Billanox accounts. I'll try to have a hard stop here. Yeah, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Let's look for a push down into the 110s. Maybe we're gonna try to retest the low here, guys. Maybe that's what it's trying to do. Or Yeah, I'm shorting now. Now I'm shorting StockTiger. Hello? Yeah, it's me. I'm good. What's the credit card that I used? Do you know what's the last three? Yeah, that's right. I mean, you can just transfer back to that credit card. It's fine. Yeah. Is that the vendor transfer? Right. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, you can just transfer it back to where it came from. I think that's cool. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. All right. Absolutely. Thank you so much for your support. Yep. Thank you. And I'm getting stopped out right here. Oh yeah. Yeah. No problem. Thank you. Bye. All right, took one off the table. All right, guys, I'm gonna be looking for a pullback into the 110. Let's see, guys, if we do that. I'll just move my stop to, I would say, yeah, I'm at 140. So we'll look for a push down here, guys. We'll see. Be honest, no, you can't trade. You can't trade off the trade of it. You can't. Thank you guys for smashing the like. Really appreciate it, everybody. Sorry guys, I got disconnected. We are back here again, and we may trade some more into the FOMC, and we got earnings coming out a little bit later as well. So all right, guys, I've got two more. I added two more, and I'm gonna be, yeah, my stop wouldn't change. 137 area, my stop, and I'm gonna be looking to see if we can actually get a pullback here into the 100 area, guys. 100. We'll see what comes first. Yeah, I mean, we could also get a bounce off this level too, 115. I think Apex is working, from my understanding. Yeah, they don't have the option. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. I'm gonna move my stop to break even now. Let's see. I would have my target somewhere. We could also get a balance of this level. I've placed my stop at the break even, so see, guys. I mean, we get a nice little follow through. That's great. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should just move my stop to here, 128. That would be a short-term break in the structure if you get a bounce off that level, right? So I'm just gonna have my stop there and see what happens. I'm still looking for that little extended move here to the downside and try to retest the low here, 100 area. That'll be really nice if we do that. But if we get a bounce off this level, I get stopped out at 128. Should I move my... Well, hold on a second, guys. Let me just see how much am I risking on this trade. 134. That's risking a lot. So, I don't know. We'll just leave it there. Take one off the table at 111 and maybe one down here as well. Oop. Was one. Alright, let's look for a little break in the structure here, guys, to the downside. A little bit of a bear flag here kind of forming. Still a little bit choppy. We could get a little bit of a dead cat pop too, for all you know. So yeah, I've got a hard stop here. We'll see how that kind of plays out. Maybe I'm kind of better off try to take one more off the table right now. Just kind of like lock it in. I'm only down to one now, guys. We'll see now. I'm gonna place my stop at 141. I'll give myself a lot of room here to play out, and my target would be back down into the 26,100 again. Everybody, great to see you guys back again. All right, StockTiger is back. Wow, man. I thought we were gonna get a little follow through to the downside. We're not doing that, so. $123. Can we just pop and go right here like that? It is possible, but it's that's gonna require a lot of volume. Yeah, and a lot of positive news to kind of get it up there like that. Maybe we may try to grind now, guys. We may try to, you know, just pop, fade, pop, and then kind of like do this until we get to the FOMC. And we're not far off, guys. We got only 1.5 more hours to go for the FOMC. The rate decision, we're not expecting a rate cut. We are I think it's got to be neutral. And then of course we got earnings right after the FOMC as well, so it's gonna be a wild day. This could be the kind of a day that we could try to pass some evals too at the same time. If you obviously, if you guys are running out of funded accounts, that is, this could be the moment to do it. I think, yeah, I think the market's gonna move in front of that. I think I think everybody's kind of waiting for the Microsoft, Apple, sorry, not the Apple, Microsoft, Google, and what else again? The earnings, right? So it's kind of choppy at the moment. I think everybody's kind of waiting for the FOMC. So all right, so there we go. We're getting a little bounce. Let's now put our attention back into something else. I want to kind of wait and see. Can we now trade? Can we now trade Ninja? Sorry, not Ninja. It looks like we are back again.
Order submitted.
Yeah, it looks like it's working, guys.
Order
The
filled.
what do you call this again?
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here on the silver, by the way. I wonder what that means.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ah, man, I missed that. Ah. Yeah, I mean, when I'm trading a micro silver, I want to make sure I have hard stop side by side with my entry, because the silver obviously is a different animal, right? This thing could flush down for all you know pretty hard, and then all of a sudden you're kind of down so much. So I just want to kind of manage my risk, so that way I don't get yeah, man, I was supposed to get into that trade on that pullback there. Let's look for a little more push down. I guess maybe a down into this 113. That's where the support is as well. So the trade rate looks like it is back here again, guys. I mean, I don't know. That's what I kind of feel like it's trying to do. Silver long, I mean, yeah, I missed that trade. It would have been a really nice trade if I actually got into that trade, to be honest, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's silver has, you know, and when you get that sort of a pullback, you know, it definitely gets some kind of a bounce, whether you like it or not, right? It's always been doing that. So every pullback, you get some kind of a bounce. If you get a deeper dive pullback, then yes, it's a little bit of a different conversation, but every pullback has been bought pretty nicely, right? So, pretty interesting. I don't want to be messing with this at the moment.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Luckily, I exited that trade by mistake, but I mean, I was in the green, so I'll take that. This is what I thought. We will get a bounce. I gotta have a hard stop here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a hard stop right here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a like, it's a must.
Order submitted.
It's a must.
Order cancelled.
All right, I'm trying to short this. I'm trying to short this bad boy. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. We'll let you guys know. We'll find out in a few minutes. I'm down. Yeah, I've got a hard stop here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I've got two hard stops. So damn, it wouldn't pull back. Trading silver is always risky, right? So God, man. Oh, there we go, guys. I took one off the table, guys. I took one off the table.
Order
Holy
canceled.
mochaccino. Alright, I'm I'm placing my stop here. Well, placing my stop at the break even. Let's try that, guys. I placed my stop at the break even now. Looking for a pullback here into the VWAP. Let's see, guys, if we get it. Or maybe I should just move my stop now. Forget it. I'll try to hold this, guys. Look to see if we can actually flush it down. Let's see, guys, if we get it, everyone. Hopefully I get a little lucky here. Should I just move? Well, no. I'm gonna have a hard stop there, right at the break even. Don't give it a bounce right here, man. Don't bounce. Get it down there. Let's go. Come on, man. Silver. I need a silver pullback here, of course. Looks like we may try. Welcome back, everybody. Great to see you guys, man. Thank you guys for hopping in. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you, everybody. A New York session. I go live New York. I mean, obviously not a regular, but at least twice a week. I try my level best to do that. And so, yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell every time I go live, guys. Thank you so much. Gracias, amigos. Right, looking for that little pullback here down. Let's see, guys, if we get a pullback. 114. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Bring it down, baby. All right, guys, I'm going to kill my stop to give myself a little bit more room here. Let's see if you get it, guys. Yeah, I'll move my stop to break even. Yeah, I'll still move my stop to break even. Let me just try to give myself a little bit more room here, okay? And see what happens here. I do feel better, but I mean, you never know, man. If I can get a nice little flush down to the 113.4, that will be really nice. We just need a quick little move here, right? That's all we really need. But, you know, silver is a different animal. It's gonna do its thing. It looks like I'm down on my Billnox account. It's getting a little bit of a bounce, looks like, because I'm shorting, but I'm still down about $250. So NQ getting a bounce. What does that mean for silver? We may get a little bit of a pressure, selling pressure kind of step in. We'll see. Am I gonna get stopped out right here? Maybe. But I can also have a chance of a bigger flush down, which is gonna look great because then I can be up pretty nicely here. So I'm taking my chances here, right? I've only got 1 micro, so let's try to see if we can get a little more push down. Would love to see that little push down into the 0.43. Let's see if it does it right here, right now, everybody. Thank you guys once again for being here, man. Well, we're at the same spot still. We're still at the same spot, silver. Like, you've got to be kidding, bro. Just get it down. Get it down by now. We did get a push, and of course, I was doing something else again. StockTiger. Focus on your trading. Stop doing something else. We are missing a chance, man. That would have been a nice little area of kind of like trying to get out of my trade. But now, of course, we're gonna get a bounce, of course, right? Because I missed my chance. So there we go, guys. I'm gonna get stopped out right here. Such a silly willy. I am so mad. And I'm down on the I'm down on my NQ trade that I'm in at the moment too. So it's kind of weird. Silver getting a bounce and NQ trying to get a bounce as well at the same time, and I'm gonna get stopped out right here. Shit, man. That would have been a nice little trade here to the downside. On silver, we're getting a bounce. What if I move? What if I place my stop here at 114, guys? How about that? Do you think we get a pullback here in the silver? I don't know. Let's try to add one more here, guys.
Order filled.
Oh, man.
Connection lost.
I went too cute. Looks like I got stopped out on my Billinox one. God, man.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I've got a hard stop right now on silver. Oh, fuck.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Order cancelled. Order
filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, I went short again on the silver. A little ticked off. Looks bouncy. Let's see, we kind of respected this trend line here. Yeah, now I want my money back, yeah. And lose even more. Oh man, this fucking thing is just keep moving, guys. Hold on one second. I may have to exit this trade right here. Oh, fuck me. Oh. I've got $2,000 of drawdown.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Yeah, I've got a hard stop. I'm just not gonna move that at all. Yeah, what a bounce off that low, guys, man. That support trend line, incredible. Yeah, silver's a different animal for sure. I agree. Yeah, you don't want to mess with the silver for sure, man. Even though I'm trading with 2 micro, this is kind of really tough. Really tough to try to hold on to my trade with a tight stop on it too. Well, try this one last one. I'm gonna try, and if it doesn't work out, then we'll just move back to our NQ trading. That's all I can do right now. This could be trending to the upside too. At least we could maybe try to get a bounce into here. Felipe Sousa, yeah, thanks brother, thanks for your support, thanks for using my code, everybody. Thank you guys, really appreciate it. Chuck Norris, what is up, man? Yeah, I'm trading on Tradeovate now. It seems to be working now. It wasn't working 30 minutes ago, but it's working now, so I don't know what that means. Do we stop trading on Tradeovate or do we trade? I'm not sure.
Order submitted.
Oh, I didn't realize I've got 3 contracts, man. Oh, shoot. Hold on one second, guys. I didn't realize that. Do I have 3 contracts? Hold on. Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, holy mochaccino, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled.
No, I didn't realize I had 3 contracts, but I thought I had 2. Oh man, oh, hold on one second, guys. 1 second, everybody. This could be a good trade here. This could be a good trade, guys. Let's try to see if we can hold on to this, guys. This is looking good.
Order submitted.
Man, if this does not give me a follow through, I'll get really mad. Now I'll get really mad. StockTiger will be mad.
Order filled.
Guys, I'm down to 1 contract.
Order
Yes,
canceled.
let's go, man. Let's go, baby. Oh, back to life again. Incredible mochaccino. Let's see, guys. Both NQ and silver pulling back. Yes, pulling back here, guys. NQ, let's take a look at the NQ. NQ pulling back as well. Something is not right. Something's a little broken, you guys. I mean, I'm gonna move my stop to where the entry is, and I'm gonna look to see if we can actually get a little follow through down, guys. Yeah, I've got to stop at the break even, and I'm gonna be looking for an extended move now. So guys, by the way, keep in mind we got 1 more hour to go. Just 1 more hour for F4MC. You guys know what that means? It's not FOMO, it's F4MC. For Mr. J Powell, I don't know if he's gonna actually come out and talk or somebody else. Is he in jail or what now? Do all right, guys, man. I'm long. Sorry, I'm short on a silver, and I'm gonna be looking for that one big flush down. Let's see if we get it, guys. Man, this is gonna be huge. This is gonna be an incredible mochaccino, and I'm gonna go grab another coffee, and hopefully we're down like 2,000 points here on the silver, guys. By the time I'm back, okay? So everybody, keep an eye on this.
Connection lost.
Oh my mochaccino! Look at that, guys, everybody! Yeah! Oh, baby! Woo! I should just stay away from market, guys. I mean, that's what it is, man. I'm just gonna... Oh, fuck me, man. Get out!
Order filled.
You know, I'm just gonna keep going away from my desk, so that way I can be always in green, guys. I think that's what it's all about. Just be away, and that's what happens. That's what happens. Maybe I took this profit a little bit too early. Oh man, look at this China pullback here, guys. That's a pretty nasty pullback off that high. Right.
Order
filled.
Order submitted.
I'm willing to give some back now.
Order submitted.
Holy shit, man. Don't pull back, don't pull back. Give me that little bounce. Turn it into green, baby. Let's go, man. Come on. Ugh. 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 Push. Push. Let's go. Ah. Push. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding, bro. You've got to be kidding, man. That was some nasty pullback there, man. I think this is still looking to flush down. But maybe if we do that, before we do that, guys, maybe get a little bounce before we start to get another leg to the downside. Guys, I'll exit this trade right here.
Order
Fuck it.
filled.
I'm not interested in messing with this. Oh my god. Yeah, that was a little bit of a messed up. I wouldn't want to mess with this right here, right now, to be honest, man. Just kind of walk away. What a mochaccino. Maybe I could kind of try to take a risk with this bigger account. But not with this other ones.
Order submitted.
Alright
Order
guys,
submitted.
let's see if we can actually get a little pullback here down, maybe. And I'll try to long. Man, that would have been a nice little trade, hey?
Order cancelled.
I kind of got a little shaken out, man. That would have been a really nice trade. Kind of try to long on that area. Fuck, man. Got a little. I wouldn't want to say I got a little unlucky because I got. Yeah, man, that was a huge trade on that other one. You know what? If you were in one mini contract and you held on to that trade, the previous one that I was in, that would have been $10,000 of profit. Because I was in one micro, right? So imagine if you were in one mini contract, man. I'm still dreaming. StockTiger is still in a dreaming mode. That would have been a nice little trade with one mini contract, I guess. But apparently not. Alright guys, we got less than 1 hour to go for Mr. J. Powell to show up on the stage. And he may start talking about StockTiger. I don't know, I'll let you guys know. I think he should lower the interest rate, but he's not going to do that, right? There's a little bit of a conversation going on here between myself and JP. I'll let you guys know the outcome. It's already a little too late to lower any interest rate now. But for the future, for the next month, can we bring it down? Quarter basis point? I think definitely very doable. Now, if he's gonna come in and be very hawkish into the FOMC, oh man, that's gonna be like the end of the world. I think that's gonna bring some sort of a disruption. Honestly, I would prefer to see this market kind of pump into the FOMC, and then of course the earnings kind of rack everything down, right? I don't know how great of earnings we're gonna get. We're gonna have to have a really good earnings to kind of really push the market back up again. But let's just take a look at the we've got Tesla here, right? We got Tesla earning coming in today. Yeah, today. So we got Tesla earning right after the market close. The structure doesn't look too bearish either, right? The structure does not look too bearish at the moment, right? That's what kind of bothers me a little bit. I'm looking at this chart and I'm kind of going, okay, well, it doesn't look as bearish, to be honest. Microsoft also we got a beautiful bounce off this low here, and that's the major level of support. So we pushed, we kind of consolidated, we got a pullback here, but we also got a big fat bounce off the level, and we're kind of sitting in this area. We got a little bit of pivot we got to get through, but we may try to pierce through that as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like that. Amazon, let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, these charts are not looking too bad, guys. I mean, that's what makes me feel like, you know, the only thing that makes me feel a little more bearish would be the Google. Google, I don't know, man. Google is at all-time high, constant all-time high, guys, at 341. It just kept pushing to the upside. That was the only one stock that kept going. So I don't know, man. Just purely based on technicals, it does not tell me that it's gonna dump, you know what I mean? Like, it's not gonna be this. Maybe it may, depends on what kind of earnings we get. If you get some really big fat bad earnings, then I think, yeah, we could see this thing pull back pretty nasty. We could see something like that kind of pull back into, and this could be a nice little level of supports that we have here, right? So here we got here, and we got another level which should be down here. So if we end up getting a bad earnings or bad guidance, would be one of the catalysts that's going to kind of bring it down all the way here. So yeah, I think today it's definitely very important. We'll see how this thing kind of plays out. Where am I at? Oh my mochaccino. So we ended up getting a pullback here as well. It keeps going, guys. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna try to put
Order
a stop
submitted.
as well.
Order submitted.
Man, I just keep missing out on that entries, guys. Just keep missing out on the entries. That would have been a nice little support area. I wonder if we're gonna break it to the downside though from there. Maybe try to test the low here, 112. That's gonna be nice. I mean, this is still is this? Just want to quickly take a look and see on a 30-minute chart. Yeah, it looks like we're kind of trying to break down, guys. I mean, I don't know. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart on the silver. Just gonna get rid of my orders
canceled.
that I placed, my limit orders. Right, we got a little bit of a support kind of forming. Just want to kind of make sure. Right, so we have a little bit of a triangle here, and we got a rejection off that 115. Obvious reason. So do we get a bounce, or do we actually pull back into the 110? So every time we had something like that kind of play out, we obviously ended up getting a pullback, right? So we may try to give us a little bounce back, and maybe grab more liquidity to give us that one big flush down that would look something like this, maybe. Right? Maybe something like this kind of play out. I don't know, man. I'm leaning more at this and not a push, but it all depends, guys. We got FOMC here, so I don't think Take Profit's gonna restore any accounts without. Oh, Gastoni, all your accounts on your Apex on Tradevate. Oh yeah, I mean, I'm still trading. I'm trading on Tradevate right now. It's kind of working out, so I don't know. So I'm on a 5 minutes chart here, and I'm kind of looking to see if I can try to long. Your frozen trade went from plus $11,000 to $4,500. Was pressing that close button, but oh my god, yeah, that's pretty bad. I mean, I hope, like, if you guys are stuck on your trades on Tradevate, hopefully they recover your accounts. If not, I don't know. That's we're gonna have to kind of watch how this thing kind of plays out, guys. I mean, but I am still getting emails saying that please do not trade. Yeah, I'm definitely missing out on entries myself here on silver, but honestly, I'm not sure if I want to enter. I'm not sure if I want to be willing to take a risk here. You need an entry. Tell me you love me. All right, man. Guys, let's take a look at the NQ. Because I'm going to try to play this.
Order rejected.
Oh. Hold on. You can't trade?
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Oh, guys, Apex, you can't trade? Can somebody let me know if you guys can't trade Apex? The Rhythmic's working. Yeah, I was actually trading on Rhythmic, but did they halt? Because I don't seem to be able to get into a trade. Yeah, I'm not able to get into a trade with Tradovate, Apex Tradovate. So let me just take a look and see what their email is saying. So let's take a look at their notice. We are aware of the current data issue involving Tradovate. We will be reviewing affected accounts and make any necessary adjustments after the market close today. Only accounts that had open positions during the outrage timeframe will qualify for adjustments. If you are negatively affected, please do not trade until the market opens tonight. Cannot trade Apex. Okay, so all right, so they shut it off. Okay, well that's not bad. We'll leave it as is. Maybe it's a good thing. All right, so they shut it off. That's fine. I'm okay with that. Absolutely. All right. Oh, I thought they liquidated my accounts. I'm like, fuck, you gotta be kidding, bro. You can't be doing that to StockTiger right now. All right, guys, we got a little over 30 minutes for FOMC. It's around the corner. It's gonna be a lot of fun here this morning. I can't wait to see the FOMC myself. How that's gonna play out.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
Oh
canceled.
man, only
Order
one got
canceled.
filled. You've got to be kidding, StockTiger.
Order canceled.
All right, I didn't realize only one got filled, guys. I mean, all right, I'm gonna try to short on a bounce here, guys. I'm gonna try to short silver on a bounce. I do kind of feel like, you know, we're trying to grab more liquidity in this area here, right now. And I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a bounce, and then maybe that bounce kind of fade down. Again, I may be wrong, but I mean, I'm gonna have to take a little bit of a chance. We are pretty oversold from an RSS standpoint, so let's look to see if we get a little bounce back into the 114 area, and look to try to short that bounce, guys. Gold? What is up with the gold? Holy mochaccino, man! Look at that, guys. 5,300. All right, gold. Let's get it to 15,000 on the gold. What do you guys think? That's incredible. 15,000 gold. Let's go, baby. I wouldn't mind 15,000. Yeah, I mean, why not 25k for all you know? Oh wow, what a bounce on the gold though. That's pretty wild. Moves that we are getting here. Yeah, I really do not want to mess with this at the moment. $26,163 is where we're at. On the NQ. So NQ got a nice little bounce off that support here at 106. So maybe we try to get a little bounce back into the 185. All right, guys, I'm going to try to long on a pullback here, guys. That's what I'm going to try to do. But again, we got FOMC now, guys. We got only 30 minutes away from FOMC, so I want to be a little careful.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Oh my god. What a great entry for long.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Shit.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
One more down, please. Damn it.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, risky trade, man. I think this probably could be my last trade of silver because I don't wanna mess it up. Yeah, it's too risky to trade silver. At least now, like at this time of the day, we are getting into the FOMC, so I don't wanna yeah, this thing could, oh man, fuck man, look at that pullback.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Stop filled.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Oh man, that hurts. It's weird. Gold. Oh man, look at that gold too.
Order cancelled.
Well, I better stop trading on this account now. I still have $8,000 of profit, which is fine. Yeah, I don't think I should have traded that account, did I? Yeah, no, these accounts are working. I do see that. The only thing is Apex does not allow you to trade. Fuck, man, that was a nice call there. I should have shorted that trade on that pullback.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
Order
submitted.
filled.
Oh man, we are getting dumpster all throughout the gold and the silver both. So I better not trade
Order
this. Yeah,
filled.
better not trade. All right, guys, man, I went down pretty hard on the listed account. Shit. But we just constantly getting pullback. Man, what a perfect timing to freaking enter a trade. Look at this gold dumping pretty hard. Got a caught on the wrong side, of course. Yeah, luckily I've got a lot of profits on that account. Wow, well, what a dump pitch in the gold here, guys. All right.
Order submit. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order cancelled.
$30 more minutes for FMC. I see that. Alright, I'm trying to take a little more attempt to go long on silver, but too risky. 2 micro contracts now, but we'll see. Get a little bounce at this level. I'm gonna trail my stop right at the break even if we get a little pop here, guys. We could flush down too, for all you know, so careful.
Order filled.
Stop
Fuck me,
filled.
man. I keep getting stopped out on this short trade. Wow, gold, silver, everything's just dumping now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
I don't know why I keep getting stopped out and then all of a sudden we get a bounce. We'll see what kind of a bounce we get here, guys. Alright, I trailed my stop to break even here. Let's see if we get a little bounce, guys. Or maybe I get stopped out again and maybe get a bounce right after that. Maybe. Possible. Possible, yeah.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I've got 3 contracts. Let's see if we get a little bounce, guys, man, please. I just need that a reversal pattern kind of play out, guys, man, really quick if you can. That's gonna really be helpful.
Order submitted.
Nice little hammer here would be really nice, very helpful. If we can get something like that. The gold is kind of looking wonky, man, though, you know what I mean? I just need that one little push, man. That's all really I need. Come on, man. You can't even do that. Please. Let's do it. Let's do it for the stream, everybody. Oh, I gotta get stopped out right here. No.
Connection lost. Order filled.
Stop
Oh,
filled.
fuck, man. Fucking great.
Order filled.
There we go,
filled.
guys. Mega stopped out. Fuck.
Order canceled.
Stopped out at the break even. Just can't fucking get this thing going. Holy smokers. Pissed me off, man. Looks like pretty bearish. I'm just gonna leave it as is for now. Yeah, well, let's just leave it, you know. I don't think it wants to go up, yeah. Yeah, I'm still comfortable with this. I mean, I'm down, but it is what it is, right? I still have $7,000 of profit on it, so. Maybe.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, my last try, and if it doesn't work out, then yeah, let's stop at the break even again. We'll see, guys, man. Look at that. Stop at the break even. I mean, if I can stop that on this, man, that's all I can do. I tried. If we keep getting pushed down, I mean, fuck, man. The risk is zero on this trade. With unlimited profits I could make if we get a pop here, but yeah, it looks pretty weak. Let's take a look at the gold, man. Gold is looking like it wants to get a little bit of a bounce. Can we not really do that with the silver? Ah, gotta get stopped out.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I got stopped out there again.
Order filled.
Fuck at the
Filled.
break even. This thing just can't freaking go, guys. I mean, it's gonna go obviously when I'm not here. Yeah, I better stop. I mean, oh man, look at that dumpster. Holy man, look at that bad boy kind of move. Silver gonna move as well. Yeah, I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna stop because I still have a payout to come, $2,000, and we'll be still in a big profit there. So I made well. Yeah. I mean, with the silver, you're kind of making $6,000 in a one single go, and you're also down about 4,000. I mean, that's just part of the process, I guess, with trading silver. At least I'm up, so that's fine. Let me just trade other account here. Trade this bad boy. Yeah, maybe just leave that account as is and try to trade something else. We got 20 more minutes for FOMC, guys. 20 more minutes. Yeah, no, I'm not trading that account. Thank you guys for your nice, beautiful comments. Really appreciate it, everybody. So we got FOMC in about a little less than 20 minutes, I guess, right? So is what do you call this? Is Apex back again? I'm gonna give it a try. I wonder if it's gonna work.
Order submitted.
Hey! I can place my orders.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, trying to wait. It's finally working back again, and all of a sudden it's like StockTiger gets really too excited here. Wow. Yeah, guys, man, I mean only micro. Yeah, only one micro, guys.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Let's try to YOLO. Let's try YOLO.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Let's go. I love this.
Order
Come on, bring it
submitted.
on, FOMC. Bring it on, baby. Oh yeah, so everybody, it's working. Apex is working now. We are back to life again. So what Mr. Powell is gonna bring to the table, we're gonna find out. So 12 minutes. The rate cut will be nice. Well, I don't think that's I don't think that's in the table though. I don't think that's the case. Yeah, I have some accounts I still have to trade. Like I've got some few here, and I also got to trade the Tradify as well. We'll see. Let's see what kind of a move we get. I mean, the market is kind of expecting obviously no rate cuts, right? So that's fine. That's already baked in. The only thing is now is that what next, right? And that's what the market is kind of waiting. I've got a All right, guys, we're getting a little bounce. I'm gonna take my profit there.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Nice little pop here, guys. kind of like what I see.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I've got to
Order
stop here.
canceled.
154. Looking for a bounce back into the 198. Pretty much about 200 area. So right before FOMC, guys, we got 10 more minutes, of course, for the FOMC. I'm gonna obviously play a really tight
Order
trade
canceled.
here. I'm gonna take one off
Order
the table.
submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Place my stop.
Order submitted.
Break even. Now I'm gonna look to see if we get a little bounce, guys. Try to see a little piece of this. All right, so yeah, I've got some positions that I placed here. Wow, that almost got filled there, baby. Almost got filled. Yeah, I may get stopped out on this. All right, guys, man, this is gonna get very exciting. It's FOMC. It's not a FOMO. All right, FOMC, baby. Let's go. All right, my orders did not get filled on the other ones, so it's still not there yet. I may get stopped out on this bad boy right now. I may get stopped out. Oh, you know what? I may try to add to my position here. I kind of like this. Right into the FOMC. Got 7 more minutes, of course. Yeah, 7 more minutes. Gotta be careful. All right, guys, I'll exit this trade.
Order
Oh
Order
well.
filled.
Non-event. Made about I don't know, $50 or something like that. Are you using a free account? Not that we'll be trading a FOMC bonus. What free account are you talking about? I'm trading funded accounts right now, and I've got a Billinox account here that I've set it up. All right, guys, I think we probably would be better off just kind of wait for FOMC now, right? 7 more minutes, and we've got Dr. JP. We'll see. 12 o'clock, guys. Well, not 12, I mean 2 Eastern time. We'll see what this market does. Wow. Fuck, man. As soon as I exited my trade, it's getting a bounce. But I hate whenever this happens, guys. I hate it whenever it happens. I'm trading my funded accounts. Any free accounts, if I get, I give it back to the community. Like 99% of the time, I don't like I don't use. I pay for my own. So I'm a nice guy. Always look to give back to the community. I give way more. All right, guys, we are here, guys. 5 more minutes, and the market's trying to move. I may get filled on this bad boy right here. Yeah, this could get pretty wild, guys, man. Yeah, this definitely could get pretty wild. I'm definitely the wrong place here, I think. Yeah, let's just see that. No, on trading on take profit trader you can't trade. All right, guys, 4 more minutes. And by the way, while we wait for FOMC, thank you guys for being here with us today. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So much love. I hope you all having a great day as well today. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And of course, I will be live again tonight during the Globex ASIA. Two more minutes. All right, guys, 1 more minute now. Holy, look at that, man. So there's no rate cut, of course, and that's obviously kind of what we expected, right? So nothing truly there at the moment. Whoa. It's moving. I'm on a 1 minute chart and it's kind of moving, so all right. So again, no rate cuts. Status quo right now. Yeah, I'm still sitting on the sideline, kind of watching this market do its thing. So JP's FOMC statement talking about the unemployment rate and unemployment overall kind of stabilizing. Fucking look at the silver go. All right, so I think it's a pretty hawkish statement that we are getting so far at the moment. So because the unemployment and the labor market, they believe is kind of stabilizing, right? So there's no real concern as far as the labor market is concerned. What does that mean for the interest rate? It's no interest rate cuts, or the probability of a status quo into the next meeting, highly likely. So what does that mean? Again, it's pretty hawkish, right? And the market's not liking that at the moment. So far the market's not liking what they see, but again, it's a little bit too early. Now we're gonna have to see what JP come out and talk about. The Q&A is really the big one that's gonna really move the needle, so we'll see now. All right, so far it's moving slowly, but I think it's a little bit of a hawkish. I think this overall market, guys. I mean, the market's not really liking it too much at the moment. So in order to get a better, in order to get a rate cut again, like the market has to have a pretty weak employment of the labor market. And until we actually get that, the market is not gonna like, because it's a hawkish statement. But again, a little bit too early. We'll kind of wait and see. Now we're trying to get a little bounce back again. So Fed is okay to just sit there and kind of watch, and with no rate cuts at all. So
Order
filled.
Order
Filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order cancelled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna have to trade one account. Oh man, yeah, I mean silver, I don't know, silver, it's tough. It's tough to catch the move. I mean, you're down quite significantly if you're on the wrong side, right? Even if you're on the right side, I mean, tough to trade. So we'll just kind of try to stick to the NQ. You lost? What do you mean you lost, brother?
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to have a hard stop on my trades. If
Order
not, then
filled.
yeah, I don't want this thing to just flush down and then take me out as well, right? So I don't want to be holding a bag. So just in case we get a pullback here, I'm willing to exit my trade, but I just need 150 bucks. Oh, well, not really. I just need 50 bucks really to count as a day, to be honest, but so yeah, I think the market has to kind of understand that there will not be rate cuts, at least in the near future, with what we are getting right now. I think eventually, I think the market will not like that, and we try to get a fade. I don't know. We got earnings coming out as well right after this as well too, so it's gonna be a big day.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled.
I think, yeah, so I mean, FOMC, we all kind of expected what it's going to be. I think really everybody's kind of waiting for the earnings, guys. I think that's really going to be the catalyst to really move the market. So I think that's what's going to be. We are chopping in this range here for now.
Order submitted. 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 Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order canceled. Order
filled.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, down to 4
Order
contracts.
canceled.
Moving my stop to break even. Let's see now, guys. We get a little pop here. Try to retest the 182.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I've got a hard stop now. I'm gonna try to take one off the table right here, guys. I mean, we're having a little bit of a tough time trying to get above this now.
Order
Order
All right, guys,
filled.
down to 3.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, I think he's coming out now. Is he actually?
Order
filled.
Is he out there? I'm not sure.
Order
filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I
Order
see that
filled.
trade.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, we're barely moving. Barely moving. I think yeah, everybody's kind of waiting for obviously the earnings, right? I think that's definitely going to be the catalyst to kind of move the market.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
No bueno. No juice for a bounce. No way. Yeah, I've got a hard stop right underneath that, so I'm okay. For any unforeseen circumstances, turbulence, I'm okay. I got a hard stop there, so I should be
Order
fine.
filled.
I'm down to 3 now.
Order.
Order
All right,
filled.
down to 2 now.
Order canceled.
Man.
Order canceled.
No pop. Yeah, I think the market's definitely gonna move with the earnings, right? Not with the FOMC. I think we all kind of expected what the FOMC is gonna be, but I think everybody's kind of waiting for this big tech earnings to come out in about an hour and a half. So until then, we're gonna have to stay a little patient. Yeah, I mean, I don't really see. I mean, I've now traded my account, so yeah, I'm just down on my Lucid one pretty hard. That's $4,000, but it's okay. I'm just gonna have to. Oh, fuck, man! Look at this bounce in the silver. Yeah, I may have to just kind of forget about it. You know what I mean? Nothing much I can do now. I don't want to make things any worse because I've got a payout that I've got to request on that $2,000. So we'll try to leave at that and get the payout. And still after the payout, I'll still be with $4,000 of profit on it, right? So we'll try to rebuild again and see what happens. At least you're looking good on our Apex account. So you got over $10,000 in each of these accounts, so that's good. And then also we have here. Did I trade on my Funded Futures Network? Let me see if I traded my Funded Futures Network here, guys. 1 second. Oh, I still have to trade my Funded Futures Network. Ooh, yeah, I've got to trade a few. All right, so there we go. All right, fellow traders, I've got to go. Yeah, no, that's fine. I mean, yeah, it kind of sucks, but it's okay. We're still in the game, right? I will be requesting a payout today, so that's good. And then we'll oh, maybe not. I'm gonna have to wait for another day because I was up $150 and then I went down, so I don't think I'll be able to request a payout today. Maybe end of tomorrow, because I've got to make $150. Yeah, it looks like I've got to make another $150, I think. So all right, fellow traders, I'm gonna have to go. We'll see you guys back tonight, everybody, 5:30 p.m. Take care. We'll see you guys back tonight. Everybody have a great, safe day. We'll see you guys back tonight. Thank you, everybody. Chat later. Peace.